Narcissists are relentless, and they often won't leave you alone when you attempt to leave the relationship. Stalking is incredibly dangerous. They might stalk you in person or monitor your activities. They might stalk you online, sending threatening messages or creating fake profiles. They might harass you, like making 1 million fake phone numbers, email addresses. They'll send you texts, emails, letters. They might also surveil you using technology or physically following you around. Now, not all narcissists stalk, but let's talk about the ones that do. There's 3 primary reasons that they'll do it. Control is an obvious one. Another reason is rejection. They're trying to regain a sense of importance by having an impact on your life. They're trying to instill fear in you. Another reason is ego reinforcement. This reinforces their self-image that they're important. Stalking is incredibly serious. 76% of female homicide victims were stalked prior to their murder. 16% of women have been stalked by an intimate partner, and 5% of men have been. This can all have serious consequences for a victim, ranging anywhere from emotional distress to murder. If you're being stalked, reach out to a domestic violence hotline and start safety planning. Contact the police if you're able. And do not let your guard down. You deserve to feel safe.